This video will explain how to assemble your Grundfos display stand. Before commencing, check your point of sale stand pack to ensure all display stand and merchandising components are present using the list in the included instruction set. Lay the leg short and one leg long on the ground and assemble together using the tie rod short and the bolts included. Next, lay the second leg long on the ground and assemble together with the first leg long using the tie rod long and the bolts included. Tighten all 4 bolts using an adjustable spanner. While the stand is on the ground, wind up all of the adjustable feet as far as they will go. Begin by standing up the frame assembly against the wall. Ensure all legs are flat against the wall. Beginning at the second lug from the bottom, add the pegboards small to the stand legs. Working from the bottom up, add pegboards large to both sides of the frame assembly. Check that your POS stand is sitting level on the floor. When the stand is level, the pegboards will be aligned vertically. If they are not aligned, use the adjustable feet on the bottom of the POS stand legs to ensure the point of sale stand is level. Next, add the Grundfos branded panel to the top of the frame assembly. Add the checker plate kickboard to the front of the legs long. Next, add the checker plate shelf long to the top of the frame assembly, ensuring it lies flat. Add 2 black shelf brackets to the stand legs, placing the top lug of the bracket into the leg slot first before lowering the bracket. Ensure the top of the bracket is lying flat and is not sloping. Place a checker plate shelf short onto the black shelf brackets, ensuring the bracket is retained by the lug on the underside of the shelf. Ensure the shelf is lying flat and has engaged correctly into the bracket. Peel back the red protective strip from the adhesive tape on the back of the plastic data strip short. Carefully line up the data strip square with the top edge of the shelf before rotating the strip downwards onto the edge of the shelf. Before pressing on the data strip, ensure it is aligned with the top edge of the shelf. If necessary, adjust before applying pressure to the data strip to permanently secure the adhesive. Open the front side of the plastic data strip, ensuring it sits completely within the data strip. Open the front of the remaining data strips and add Grundfos data strip backing cards. Push the 2 SP/SQ point of sale piece holders at the top and bottom of each side of the double-sided SP/SQ point of sale piece. Peel off the protective strip from the adhesive tape. Next, carefully apply the top holder to the stand leg in the position shown here. Carefully apply the bottom holder to the stand leg before pressing down firmly to secure the adhesive. Remove the A3 acrylic poster holder from its box and peel off the front protective layer. 2 A3 posters have been pre-installed in the holder. Choose which you would prefer to have facing forward before installing on the point of sale stand. The A3 acrylic poster has 2 magnetic strips applied to the rear side. Simply place in the position required over any of the black pegboards. A simple CMB and jet pump impeller are included in the point of sale stand kit. These are provided for customer explanation purposes. Once you have the point of sale stand elements assembled, you're ready to get merchandising. Add Grundfos product data cards and price tickets as required. Due to its flexible design, the number of shelves and their position on the stand are totally configurable, making it easy to change your display to match the season, promotional activity, your in-store layout, or simply the type of products you sell. Configurations are only restricted by your imagination and the weight capacity of the shelves. Consumer brochures have been created specifically for customers who wish to take away information regarding a specific pump in the home and garden range. Digital consumer brochures can be accessed by customers on their smartphones or tablets by using their camera to scan the QR code provided on the product data cards. Alternatively, for printed copies to hand out in store, speak to your account manager. Short shelves have a maximum capacity of 25 kilograms. The long base shelf has a maximum capacity of 45 kilograms and the entire stand has a maximum capacity of 145 kilograms.